Hi, my name is Val Huber, and I'd like to introduce for you automated business logic for JPA Hibernate. By business logic, we mean in particular the transactional elements of what happens under the save or submit button, things like deriving data, computing data, validating data, and so forth. Did you ever notice how a simple 5-line spec, when you actually have to go implement it the traditional way, turns into 500 lines of code? This is a very big problem because that's about half your application, with therefore a severe impact on the agility and cost to get these systems up. So we looked at why this is true, and in fact we've delivered such an application with the product that you can download so you can look at our examination. And what we found is that 90% of this 500 lines of code is all about when and how. When this changes, do that, update that, and when that changes, update this other thing. This dependency management and so forth comprises most of your code. The trouble is, it's not automatable. Why is that? Because a computer can't read your code and understand that this logic is going to be written to disk under all conditions and so forth. All the computer can do is execute the code you gave it. So you're kind of stuck writing the code, and that's getting in the way. So there's lots of examples of how to do this better. SQL is one example, but even better is a declarative example from spreadsheets. Here we say that this cell here is the sum of this column here. And the spreadsheet knows that it's supposed to keep that expression true for all changes. If I change this from 10 to 11, if I insert a row, if I delete a row, all those changes we're very happy to have Excel handle for us because we don't have to want to write a Visual Basic program. We provided essentially the same kind of automation for transactional processing. As shown here, your application or tool uses existing APIs to connect to Hibernate, and our engine, it's just a jar file, connects into Hibernate through events and can execute and invoke your business logic components, enabling you to declare just those same 5 rules we just saw. Now suddenly, since those rules are stated not unlike spreadsheet rules for all changes, we can automate your insert, update, delete logic, all the use cases and so forth, providing you a very serious improvement in agility and transparency with an efficient, low-barrier architecture. So there's a download on the web. We'd love to have you take a look at it and get in touch with us. Thanks for your time.